Kausapin natin ngayon si Cebu Provincial Administrator Joseph Ace Durano. Magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Hi, Corina. Good evening.
Hello, sir. Matindi po ang pinsala ng Bagyong Tino sa Cebu. Ito po ba'y inasahan? Hindi ba akala po natin sa may Samar ito dadaan, tsaka sa bandang Iloilo?
Yung Cebu naman, kahapon pa lang, si GovPam nag-order already ng evacuation. So, this was expected, yung malakas na typhoon. What was not expected was the flooding.
And the flooding is horribly 2.0. Don't you think? I've never seen parts of Cebu this inundated. Ito po ba'y kauna-unahang pagkakataon nyo rin na makitang ganito?
I'm old enough, Corina, so I saw the effects of Ruping. That was in the 90s. And it was similar to this.
Okay.
So that was the 90s, yes.
90s.
Yes.
Okay, before anything else, tumaas na po ba ang casualty count since the last numbers came out?
Comms have been down the whole day. So wala kaming mga verified talaga na information coming from the different LGUs.
Okay. So still waiting on communications.
That's right.
What about Mandaue? Kasi madalas din po ako sa Cebu, no? It's one of my second homes. Pero itong Mandaue, sanay po ba ang Mandaue na maanod ng ganito kalalim?
This morning, Corina, with Governor Pam, pumunta kami sa Talisay City. So we saw yung effects doon. And then early this afternoon, GovPam also went through Mandaue, Consolacion, and Liloan. So yung effect, pareho lang sa itong mga towns na affected kasi ang nangyari, yung mga big rivers nag-overflow.
Okay.
So I guess this was because of the volume of rainwater, plus it was high tide. So the water was not able to go out. So overflow talaga yung major rivers from Talisay City all the way to Danao City. So that's why this was the effect na hindi talaga na forecast.
Is it because of the volume of rainfall or is it because of the failure of the flood control projects?
As far as the flood control projects is concerned, we can see na walang flooding na control dito. So whatever the projects they have here, it didn't work at all. So, but again, just looking at the facts right now, makita natin na yung volume of the rainfall was really high, plus nagkataon na high tide. So parang double whammy talaga. So that's why nag-overflow itong mga major rivers ng Metro Cebu.
Wow, hindi pa nga ho kayo nakakabawi ng lubusan sa lindol noong September. Pero heto naman ngayon, yung bagyo naman ng inyong iniinda. Sapat po ba ang inyong mga relief supplies at disaster fund?
Well, so far with the support of the national government as well as collaboration with the different LGUs, yung quick response fund, yung relief goods, nandyan naman. Ang challenge lang talaga ngayon ang rescue operations kasi may mga residents pa rin on top sa roof ng mga bahay nila. And then because of the flooding, mahirap pasukin ng mga responders.
When do you expect the flood waters to go down?
It's been raining the whole day pa rin, Corina. So we're hoping in the next few days it will take, like my experience in Ruping way back in the 90s, it took about 3 days.
I see. Okay, well, baka may panawagan po kayo sa national government?
Yes, earlier today naman, GovPam was already able to get in touch with the Office of the President and they're on top of the situation. And personally as well, GovPam and myself, we were able to talk to Secretary Gibo, and yung request lang namin na the moment na mag-subside ang waters, we need reinforcement ng mga tao at saka equipments to clear itong mga communities na underwater ngayon.
Sorry to ask this, what about animals? May puwang naman po ba ang mga hayop sa kalye doon sa rescue efforts?
In the evacuation centers that we visited today, we saw mga pets. We saw cats, we saw dogs, but I am sure na meron rin na hindi na rescue.
Okay, well, I'm seeing a kalabaw dito sa medyo dinadala na po ng tubig baha. Okay, maraming salamat po. Cebu Provincial Administrator Joseph Ace Durano, we wish you the best.
Thank you, Pina.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.